Hey, y'all. This is Casey. I know a lot of you guys think that my technical videos are super long. So today we're going to try something different. I'm going to keep it short. What I want to look at is Euro USD and also USD JPY. So after NFP last week, we saw the US pairs like really make some moves, especially USD JPY. But what I'm looking at right now is a potential buy opportunity on the retracement for Euro USD. And so if you don't understand my technical analysis and you want to know how I was able to spot this potential opportunity out, make sure that you sign up to attend the mini course in the video description below. Now, I am not saying get into this trade right now. I am saying this is simply an idea and what I'm going to be looking for. So what I see is that we had an A high. This is on the 30-minute chart, an A high, a B low, a less than a 23.6 pullback, and price seems to have found support or stalled out in this 117 or 127,118 area. It did not or has not yet hit the 618D extension. So in the event that it does not hit that red D extension, I would anticipate that we're probably going to see price retraced at least to the 38.2 for 129 pips before we see it complete and come back down to this D extension here. So that's my thoughts on Euro USD. Let me know how you're playing this one on your end. Now I want to take a look at USD JPY. So on USD JPY, I see the potential opposite. This is on the 1 hour chart. You have your A low, your B high, less than 23.6 pullback. This was Friday, right? Or just before Friday. I think this was Friday. Hold on. I'm sorry, y'all. This whole move up was Friday and then the open of the market yesterday. So we haven't hit the matching D extension at 133.111 on the hour chart. And so this is a very similar scenario for USD JPY. So what we could see here is that we could see, if we don't hit this matching D extension, we could see price make a drop at least to this level here, the 38.2, 271.1. So right there, you're looking at almost 400 pips. Those could be your two trades for the week. If you are tired of sitting at the charts, trying to find setups all day, you're scalping, you're in and out of trades, like you just living in chaos right now, make sure that you sign up for my mini course on how you can spot these setups yourself. It's completely free, and people have gotten a lot from it thus far. So I encourage you to go sign up. It don't cost you no money, no nothing like that. So anyway, I appreciate you guys for watching. If you found this video to be helpful, go ahead, give it a thumbs up. And then if you're looking for a group of like-minded individuals, make sure that you click the link in the video description for my no-cost forex Facebook mastermind group. You may see that nothing is happening right now, but I promise y'all I'm getting back to it. I'm getting back to it. There's been some things going on behind the scenes, just making sure everything is in order. But I will definitely get rolling pretty soon in there. So anyway, I'll see y'all in the next video. I hope you have a phenomenal week. And yeah, all that good stuff. I'll talk to y'all soon. Bye.